Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like two-screen video edit on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your video, and I'm just going to move this one to the right and have it like here. Try to have it kind of in the middle. And on the first one, I'm just going to go to video, go to mask, and I'm going to select the split one to just crop out this part right in the middle. And I'm going to adjust the video so it starts where I want it to start, like here. Let me see if the mask, okay, this is a little bit too there. Okay, I'm just going to place it there, it's fine. Then on the second video, go to filters and add in the black and white filter, and I'm just going to adjust it a little bit. And that's it, super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!